This is how to make money with TimeBucks. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to make money online with TimeBucks in Nigeria. I'll be showing you multiple ways to earn with TimeBucks. This website earn me money consistently. I've gotten paid this amount doing simple tasks on this website, and you can see my current balance and look at how much money people are making every day from Nigeria on this website. This is over $22. This is $14, $12, $11. These are Nigerians. Look at so much money they are making doing simple tasks on this website. This can be you today. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. I'm talking about tasks you can do with your phone, tablet, and computer system. The best part is that you can easily cash out your money direct to your bank account in your country. This website will accept people worldwide, and you can earn a lot on this platform. Towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily cash out step by step direct to your bank account from this website, and you have an opportunity to claim $3 free money if you watch this video to the end. But first, let me show you how this website is making me money consistently online. As soon as you use the link below the description of this video, you will get to this page. You can see you'll be able to get paid doing microtask jobs. That is simple tasks like testing websites, playing games, installing apps, watching videos, and answering surveys with your phone, tablet, or computer system. It is so easy. I currently have over $4 in my account. You can withdraw from $5. For you to start making money, this place, you click it. You click earn. You can see you can make money through these various methods, and you can also scroll down to get access to those menus. The first method I'll be taking you through is how to do task, because that will make you a lot of money on this website. When you click task, you scroll down. I have a total available task of 163, and the total amount of money I can make right now is over $239. All you need to do is to click view. This $29. You follow this instruction just by clicking instruction. This is $52 that you can earn with your phone right now. Just follow this instruction. This is almost $2. This is another $52. This is another $52. This is another $49. Ensure you read the instructions. And there are so many ways to earn doing tasks on TimeBucks. Another great way to make money on TimeBucks is using offer walls. These are third-party companies that TimeBucks will direct you to go and make money on their website. If you click Bitmap, this is one great way to make money under offer walls. Look at so much money you can make playing games with your phone, tablet, or computer system. Look at this $14, $10, $10, $12, $21. So many of them. All you need to do is just to click and start playing with your phone, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. The next way to make money is through taking surveys. You click it, you can see surveys. You scroll down. These are different TimeBucks third-party websites that will help you make money on this platform. All you need to do is to access each of the websites by clicking start. Ensure you are truthful, honest in your answering of surveys. Never use VPN, and you will have access to multiple surveys on this platform. The next way to make money is through content. You click content, look at it. You can click links to make money. You scroll down. Don't forget, you can only view one ad at a time. These are people's advertisements on this website. You can have access to watch hundreds of videos by clicking this view. You can make 5 cents daily clicking links on this website. The next way is you click engage. This is another method under content. You'll be able to have access to watch videos like this link. This is a video link. All you need to do is to watch the video, do the necessary task like the video, drop comment. You will see and learn what to do. Then you'll be able to earn this money. The next one is this push click. To make money through push click, you'll be able to make 0.5% of the amount of money you made the day before. And you can see when you read this instruction, you'll be able to see how to go about it. It's very straightforward. In fact, you can get $1 daily, $5 daily, or $10 daily through this push clicks method. All you need to do is to activate push clicks, then you get push click and you start making money. But you have to do this 2 hours intervals. Another great way to make money is through jackpot. When you click jackpot is like betting. Every day there are certain amounts you can win, but you have to part with your money. For today, Nigerians have an opportunity to win over $7,000. For you to participate to win this $7,150, you will need to buy tickets. Even though if you don't have money on this platform, you can deposit your money, transfer your money to AirTM. Don't forget, when you use my link to join AirTM, you get free $3 as a gift from AirTM. As soon as you join, you can deposit your money. 5 cents will give you 50 tickets that you can buy. It's like a lottery. If you are lucky, you will win part of this money. First prize is 2,000, second prize is 1,000, and so on. If you scroll down, last week, these are Nigerians. This person won $300. This person won $100, $80, and so many of them from Nigeria. So that is how jackpot works. The next great way to make money is making money referring your friends and family members. You'll be able to get 10% of commission from everybody that you refer to this website. Don't forget that the 10% is not from their personal money, but the money that this website will pay you. That is, if people that you send to this platform make $10, this website will give you $1 as a commission. This is your referral link. You click it and you share it on your social media platforms. You send it to your friends and family members. Then this is money you can continue to make forever. This is one of the ways I make money on this platform. But how do you get paid on this platform? For you to get paid on this platform, you click this place. You scroll down, you click settings. You can see under settings, before you get paid, you must verify your ID. You can use international passport, Nigeria driver license. You can use your name to verify your account. To get paid, these are various payment methods. You click payment method. This website will pay you every Thursday. After you must have set up your payment method. There are different ways to get paid. You can get paid through Scree, through Litecoin, that is crypto, Paper, Payer. I've done a video of how I cash out from this website using Scree and Payer. It's very straightforward. But my top recommended way to get paid on this website is using AirTM. When you use AirTM, make sure that you use the same email address you use on TimeBucks to sign up on AirTM. And don't forget that you can claim $3 gift. If you use my link, you will get it automatically. You will see the link is below the description of this video. All you need to do is to click here to select any of your choice of payment method. You select AirTM. Don't forget they will charge 1.5% of the amount you are withdrawing, and you update your payment methods. I use AirTM to get paid on this website because AirTM will also give you bonuses and free money for using that platform. Watch this video, you see how I often use AirTM to get paid on multiple websites step by step. You now know how to make money with TimeBucks online in Nigeria. This website will work for you irrespective of your country, and the best part, you can easily cash out to your bank account in your country. This is AirTM that will help you get your money directly to your bank account in your country. As soon as you get paid, you will see your money in your wallet. All you need to do is to click withdraw, click search. You can see these are banks from different countries, including your country. Most countries of the world are on this platform. You can easily transfer your earnings that you receive on this platform to your bank account in your country. Because your objective is to get paid to your account in Nigeria, you type Nigeria. As you can see, you can get paid directly to your Naira account in Nigeria, and you can get paid directly to your dollar account. All you need to do is to open dollar account in any bank and you get your money paid easily. For you to learn how to use this platform and get paid to your bank account after you've received your money from TimeBucks, watch this video. The link of the video will show here. It will take you through how you get paid direct to your bank account in Nigeria from AirTM. Don't forget that AirTM will give you a gift of $3. Only if you use my link, which is below the description of this video. Ensure you watch that video. You can also move your money to crypto exchange, to Binance, to Bybit, to Coinbase, and you can buy and transfer your money to your wallet. This is KuCoin. You see the links to all these websites below the description of this video. If you use that link, you are open to earn over $500. Yes, ensure you check it out. Thank you. Please do me one big favor. Subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Click that notification bell. That will help you to know as I publish my videos every week. Thank you for doing that for me. The next video, you will see other websites that will make you money direct to your bank account in Nigeria, and you can get paid through AirTM. And you need to watch the second video. You will learn how to have access to websites that will give you free money. Yes, no work, no investment. And you'll be able to see my proof of earnings. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.